Back with the ultimate 2020 to 2026 Toyota Corolla oil change walkthrough. We're covering every tool size, lift point, and spec you asked for. First, pop the hood, remove the cap, and top off that washer fluid. Next, setting the rack. You want your lift arms hitting the reinforced pinch welds right here to keep it safe. Drop it securely onto the lift locks. Grab a 10mm socket to remove these bolts holding the plastic service cover. We're loosening the spin-on filter first. Crack it loose with your filter wrench, let it drain into the pan, then spin it off. Make sure the old gasket didn't stick to the block. Now grab a 14mm wrench for the oil pan drain plug. Break it loose and let it drain completely. Quick pro tech habit, check those tire pressures while you wait for the oil to finish dripping. Lube the new filter gasket with fresh oil, spin it on hand tight, plus 3/4 of a turn. Pop a new crush washer on the drain plug, thread it by hand, and torque it to 30 foot-pounds.
Discard!
Zap that service cover back on with your 10mm bolts. Lifting it off the locks and bringing it back down to earth. Grab the overhead oil gun. We are filling this up with 4.8 quarts of fresh 016 oil. Fire it up for about 10 seconds to fill the new spin-on filter, then shut it down. Let it sit a minute, pull the dipstick, wipe it, and check it. We check it twice to ensure it's sitting dead on at that top dot. Turn the key on. Use your steering wheel controls to go to Settings, Vehicle Settings, Scheduled Maintenance, and hit Reset. If these exact specs and sizes helped you out, hit that subscribe button. See you next time.